Hello people, it's Esther here again. Welcome to Edtech Simplified, and if you haven't subscribed, please click on that subscribe button. Yeah, thank you, and turn the notification bell. So I've been having a lot of people ask me or say to me, Esther, are you really a teacher? Or Esther, you don't look like a teacher, you don't dress like one, you don't talk like one. Please, how am I supposed to look like this? You two, come off it. Right, so let's talk about the monetary aspect of teaching. I see that when we talk about teachers and those in the profession of, bringing up students, we have a stereotype. We of course, the Nigerian teaching sector doesn't make it encouraging, but there are other things you can do that, can boost your income as a teacher. I know one way, just one way, technology, right? When we talk about the monetary aspect of teaching, technology has made it easier to make a lot of money in teaching if you know what you're supposed to do, if you have the right information. Like I always say, an asset you have as a teacher is knowledge. Nothing can take that away from you. And in this series, it's a series, I'll be showing you a list of tools, free tools, and some of them you can pay, just a token to use them, that you can use to create extra income for yourself, right? It doesn't cost you a lot. It doesn't even cost you money, let me put it that way, but it's gonna cost you your time and of course your assets, which is your knowledge, if you're ready to give it the time. Now let's start. Okay, it's time to go make some money, and the first thing I'll be talking about is flashcard. Do you know what flashcards are? Before you answer, I'll assume you don't know what flashcards are. Let's start with the shape of a flashcard. What Joker, these games were played back in those days. I don't know if people play them anymore. That size, so that's the shape of, that's usually the shape of flashcards. Now what are flashcards? If you've ever heard of mind mapping, right? Flashcards help you have a central idea of a particular subject or topic, and it just helps you connect. For early childhood teachers, you can have flashcards for letters of the alphabet, for numbers and their pronunciation. You just have a central idea, and then you can use flashcards for children or for adults. It could be for anybody really. So why am I talking about flashcards? So this is the thing, not all students will learn from the classroom, and not all students would grab the idea at a go. Some students learn more with visuals. This is where flashcards comes in. You can introduce flashcards in your class or to your community. Everybody has a community, by the way. Maybe you haven't found out about yours yet. And you can sell to them. Parents would be willing to buy these cards because making it is not expensive, and I'm sure when you're ready to sell, you won't be selling at some high price. So I'm going to show you how to create flashcards. You can basically create it on Canva. Your free Canva is more than enough to create your flashcard, and all you have to do after you've created them is to get them printed. It won't cost you much. I made a research, and here in Lagos, in some parts of Lagos, you can print those cards for as low as 5,000 or 400 pieces. So it's that cheap. I'm talking about where I live. Are you excited to create your first set of flashcards and make some money? Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned a thing or two. I can't wait for you to start earning some dough. And I can't wait for you to change the narrative of teachers in the Nigerian society. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified when new videos drop. Bye.